Titration Apparatus. This is how the titration apparatus looks like. What we use is an Erlenmeyer flask and a burette. This figure is more clear. So this is the burette. Usually it contains an acid, and this is the conical flask containing an alkaline solution and indicator. While performing titration, we slowly drop the acid from the burette on the alkaline solution. When the color of the alkaline solution starts changing or completely changes, the titration process ends. And we can see how much acid quantity is used up. So this quantity is the quantity needed to put with the base solution for neutralization to occur and produce the salt.